In this video, we are going to see that if we want to access the YouTube Studio desktop version on our mobile, how we can do that. So we have already explored different options of the YouTube Studio, and that can be done directly by installing the YouTube Studio application from the Play Store. And we have many features here. But let's say that we want to use some of the features that's not available in this application. So it's very simple to access the YouTube Studio application, the desktop version, directly from your phone. Just click on this favorite browser of yours, and on the top in the URL, just write studio.youtube.com. Now, if I click on this YouTube Studio link directly, let me just switch to a mobile version. If I just write studio.youtube.com, we have this link right here, but as soon as I click on this, it will directly open application without even asking. So how we can access the YouTube Studio on a desktop version? Just hold this link for a little bit and just click on open in new tab. This will allow you to open the YouTube Studio version on desktop. Just click on this two links icon and just switch to the second page. Here we can see try out YouTube Studio application. You can click on get the app, or you can continue to the studio. Just click on this one and you should be able to access the YouTube Studio desktop version like this. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.